Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing ggvtrend.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a site that sells skincare and lipstick and a lot more. So basically, this is what it looks like. So for contour for women and blush on. And basically, these are just fake testimonials by women. They don't even show the products right here. So as you can see, we have it also here opened up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 2.3 out of 5 stars with 7 reviews, which is poor. So let's read some reviews here. Instant eye tightener. Now that what is advertised, now I'll see other reviews. Shame on me for being a fool. So 1 star. My wife ordered Laura Geller product, received a cheap knockoff, bait and switch, never received the product. There's no customer service, and the list goes on. So please, guys, do not order anything from this product. This company. They're very obviously a scam, and people have been getting scammed left and right. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.